In 2021, HERM Logic faced a critical decision: whether to continue using aluminium or to switch to fiberglass-reinforced plastic, FRP, for the second iteration of their material lift system. While aluminium had its advantages, FRP emerged as the clear winner, offering an innovative leap in both safety and performance. This choice was more than just a material swap. It marked a significant shift towards industry-leading safety, durability, and efficiency for HERM Logic's customers. The power of pultrusion and FRP. To understand why HERM chose FRP, we must start with its manufacturing process, pultrusion. Since its inception in 1951, pultrusion has enabled the creation of fiber-reinforced composite profiles that provide a lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and electrically non-conductive alternative to traditional metals. These properties made FRP an ideal choice, particularly for a system designed to handle demanding conditions in industries like roofing, solar, and HVAC. The switch to FRP also brought HERM's product in line with advanced, industry-compliant profiles that resemble steel's strength but without its weight or susceptibility to corrosion. Superior electrical safety. One of the most compelling advantages of FRP over aluminium is its non-conductive nature. Aluminium's conductivity poses a significant risk for workers operating around live electrical systems, but FRP's insulating properties provide an added layer of safety. HERM Logic prioritized worker protection, ensuring that every user of the material lift system could perform their job without the risk of electrical shock. Enhanced rigidity and stability. In industrial applications, stability is paramount. Unlike aluminium, which can flex or bend under heavy loads, FRP offers high rigidity, providing a firm and secure experience even when transporting weights of up to 260 kilograms or 573 pounds in weight to elevated heights exceeding 22 meters or 72 feet. This reliability and stability gives HERM's customers the peace of mind they need when working in heights, commercial and residential buildings up to 5-story. Corrosion resistance and longevity. HERM Logic was determined to make a product that endures the test of time. FRP's exceptional resistance to corrosion meant that it could withstand harsh outdoor environments and resist chemical exposure without rusting. With FRP, the material lift system became not only more durable but also maintenance-free, saving clients time and ensuring the lift could handle demanding conditions for years. Adapting to extreme temperatures. Another critical benefit of FRP is its low thermal conductivity. In both scorching summer heat and frigid winter temperatures, FRP remains comfortable to handle, unlike aluminium, which can become uncomfortably hot or cold. This resilience makes FRP the better choice for professionals working in varying climates and environmental conditions. Industry 4.0 and the HERM difference. In 2024, HERM Logic is applying Industry 4.0 principles to maximize efficiency, integrating robotics, automation, and data intelligence into their manufacturing process. This smart manufacturing approach enabled predictive maintenance, real-time adjustments, and customization. With Industry 4.0, HERM reduced production costs and passed the savings on to customers, all while maintaining ISO 9001 quality standards and adhering to global compliance regulations like AS 1418 and EN 131. The result, a safer, smarter, and more efficient product. By choosing FRP over aluminium, HERM Logic demonstrated their commitment to innovation and customer-focused solutions. The FRP-based material lift system now offers unprecedented safety, durability, and adaptability, qualities essential for the professionals in roofing, solar, and HVAC industries. Today, HERM Logic's lifter conveyor systems embody the values of working smarter and safer, leading to a 70% reduction in labor and installation costs and ensuring top-tier reliability. And with a 2-year global warranty, HERM Logic's commitment to excellence is clear. We are here to redefine construction safety and efficiency for the long term. For those ready to work smarter and safer, HERM Logic's fiberglass-reinforced material lift system stands ready to support you. Visit www.hermlogic.com to learn more about how we're building the future of construction.